Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to use Parsec and getting the error code 6023 or 6024, don't worry, you are not alone. These errors usually show up when there is a connection or graphic issue, but they are actually very easy to fix. So in this video, I will show you some of the solutions that usually work for most of the people. You don't need any advanced technical skills. You just have to follow the steps that I'm about to show you in this video, and you will be back to streaming or gaming smoothly in no time. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our solution 1, you will have to first of all simply close your Parsec completely. After that, you need to just click on the start button here, then click on this shutdown button, and you need to click on the restart. This is going to actually clear any temporary issues with your connections or the drivers. After restarting, you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If you want to check the speed of your internet connection, you will have to open your web browser and search for internet speed test. Now once you search for this query, you will find the first link, that is from speed test by Ookla. So you need to just click on it, and here if you click on this button, it will take some time and show you the internet speed. So here you need to check whether your internet connection is stable or not. You can also try using a wired connection if possible, and open Parsec again and see if the error is gone or if it is still there. So most of the times the error 6023 or 6024 appears just because Parsec didn't connect properly during the setup. So a simple restart can actually fix this problem. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try using the second method, in which you will have to simply just open the graphic drivers application of yours. So if you are using NVIDIA, you will have the NVIDIA application installed in your Windows or PC, or if you have AMD, you can also just open the application, and here you need to basically just take a look at the drivers update. Here you will see the drivers option in the left hand section, so you need to just click on it, then click on this option of check for updates. It is going to take some time and show you this type of page here. So as you can see, currently for my drivers the update is available. So here you need to click on the install option and wait for some time until the drivers are updating. Once the update is successful, once the update is installed successfully, you will have to again restart your PC or your laptop and launch Parsec again. So updating your drivers can actually help you fix the compatibility issues, and it also help you in improving the performance too. So if nothing else works, you can try reinstalling Parsec, because sometimes when you just uninstall the application and reinstall it, most of the issues can also get fixed. So in order to uninstall Parsec, you just have to simply click on the taskbar. Then you need to just go to the settings of your device and hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. In your apps, click on the installed apps. Over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Parsec. Once you are able to find the Parsec app, you need to just click on the three dots right next to it, and you need to uninstall it from here. Afterwards, you need to open your web browser and search for parsec.app. Now once you are on this page, simply hover over to the top and click on the download option. This is the download for Windows 64-bit option, so you need to just click on it and you can basically download Parsec from its official website. Then you need to reinstall it and log in again. A fresh install often fixes any of the corrupted files, and it will also help you in fixing the errors. So this is how you can fix Parsec error 6023 6024 quickly and easily. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more quick text fixes, and leave a comment if you faced a different Parsec issue. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.